So in my previous video about experiment with Marksetter and Marksofter, Sir Geekeric asked me this. Let's try anyway, with us, Alice Kingdom. I will try with two type of paint. First is acrylic water-based paint which I will use from Brushmaster, and second is enamel or oil-based paint which I will use from Tamiya. And I will use my wet palette as our media. For your information, the result may get different depends on paint type and brand, so don't fully use my result as your reference. Now let's wait until both of them completely dry. Okay, now let's test first if they already dry. For first try, I will use Marksetter on them. Now let's wait about a minute. For acrylic water base, as you can see, Marksetter will affect your paint. And for enamel, no problem here. So the conclusion, don't use Marksetter directly on acrylic water-based paint. Next, I will try on Marksofter. And again, let's wait about a minute. For acrylic water base, again, Marksofter may affect your paint. And for enamel, still no problem with enamel. So the conclusion again, don't use Marksofter directly on acrylic water-based paint. And my recommendation if you want to use Marksetter and Marksofter, always coat with clear coat first, whether lacquer or enamel clear coat. If you like this video, please press like button once, don't press it twice. And if you want to know more about Gunpla tutorial, please check my other video.